Hey there. My name is John Skeffington, and I am the CEO of 12 Panel Now. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you to our drug test supply business and to let you know that besides being the most affordably priced drug test supplier in the industry, our top priorities include providing exceptional customer service, building relationships with our clients, and ensuring we stock amazing quality drug test supplies. We have been in this business for over 8 years and know the importance of reliable and accurate testing. At 12 Panel Now, we understand that people's lives are at stake, and our team takes sobriety very seriously. That's why we strive to ensure that the drug tests we manufacture are of the highest quality and have been put through the most rigorous testing. Being able to rely on the results of the test is our main focus. When we started 12 Panel Now, we painstakingly tested different manufacturers to ensure that the products stood up to our high standards. We found that even though many were regulated by the FDA, the products didn't reflect the standards that 12 Panel Now wanted to provide. We had to kiss a few frogs before we found our prince. But going through these trials and errors has allowed us to provide the best quality drug testing supplies in the industry. We have been buying from the same manufacturer for more than 8 years now. They are FDA-approved, CLIA Waived, and a publicly traded company. The quality control, manufacturing experience, availability of product, and compliance are unrivaled in the industry. We are very proud to say we are by far the fastest growing drug test company in America. We currently have over 18,000 repeat customers who rely on the quality of our goods. We owe our success to the superior quality of the products we provide. Having the best price guarantee doesn't hurt either. But above all, I would say our success is thanks to our vast customer base, who have consistently referred us to other companies and friends in the industry. Referrals are our biggest source of new business, and I'd like to thank you all very much for making us the company we are today. Because of this support, our business has grown, and it allows us to buy in massive quantities. This gives us unmatched buying power, enabling us to buy in volume and reducing our costs. In turn, we pass those savings on to our customers. You will see these savings reflected in our low pricing. The result? The best priced drug test supplies in the country. Thank you again to our existing customer base, and welcome to all our new customers.